would like to go first? I'll just spotlight on you so that, I can.
Can I go first?
Yes, please. 1 minute. Yes, Ojas.
So my name is Ojaswita. I am a counseling psychologist, and on the side, I'm also doing my PhD from IIT Bombay. I attended the relationship counseling course by IHRS, and so the course was very structured. I really liked the step-by-step protocols and what we do in each session. And the course not only helped to see how it helped the clients, but it also helped me understand myself and my relationships with people better.
Actually, I'm doing my MD Psychiatry at Hyderabad and Osmania. And so Relationship Counselling program by ICHARS. And this is actually a very good session. Very good course to learn about relationships and to address the relationship conflicts between the couples. And this is a very structured approach, like how to identify oneself and how to understand their partners, and how to solve the conflicts between them. And through this course, actually, even I understood myself, like, so that this not only helps to my career, but also it helps me personally also. That is what I feel, and I am very delighted for having taking this course, and I'm very happy to be part of this course. Thank you.
Thank you. Rushil, would like to go next?
Yes, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so my name is Rushil Khan, and currently I'm pursuing Bachelor's in Psychology from Aligarh Muslim University. I am a final year student. I attended the Relationship Counselling Certification course. The course was very insightful and was another great learning experience with ICHARS. Earlier, I have attended the Eclectic Approach to Psychotherapy internship. The course provided a great understanding of how conflicts arise in a relationship and the effective ways to tackle those conflicts, and it enabled me to understand myself better as well. I loved how the course was structured, the flow of the interactive sessions, and how systematic it was. Everything was explained in so much of detail and with so many examples. It was wonderful that we could actually practice each and every concept that we learned. I am grateful to IHARS for designing this impactful and life-changing course. Thank you.
Thank you. Would like to go Shitu or Charanjit ji?
Yes, can I? Okay, so can I?
Yeah, I'm just putting the spotlight. Yes, please.
Okay, I'm Charanjit, and I'm a psychologist. I did my master's and now pursuing my PhD also, again, positive psychology. So I did all the 5 courses with the ICHARS, like all the 5 levels with ICHARS. So that was really like a very good experience I had in to change my life, as well as when I'm practicing with others. So it is also very helpful. And now I have already attended this course, relationship course, and now I am repeating it this time because it's already helping me a lot, but I just wanted to brush it up, and definitely came to know so many new things which really helping me right now, and afterwards also it would help me. And I'm really thankful to ICHARS team for like this course and the way you have explained it, and Misbah also, because earlier I have done it with Misbah, and I think it's like wonderful course, especially for your own life as well as for our clients also. And the main thing I must say, that the reasons of conflicts, the way you have told, and the way we have, like, find those reasons, and which is very, very good, and very, actually very, I must say, the very reality based. So it happens with the clients. So thank you.
Yeah, hi, I am Sheetu Kapoor. I am basically a tarot card reader and a healer and a counselor as well. So I am doing my master's in psychology, as I think the counseling course can help me in doing what I'm doing right now. I'm been with ICHARS before also. I've already done my internship with Nitin, and now I'm doing this relationship course with Divya. So as I know, I am just kind of a feeling of home and family with the ICHARS now. So actually, because the learning is like very, I can say, homely kind of thing here, and with the examples and with their personal experience, they make you understand everything very smoothly. uh, and I'm like, just hats off to ICHARS for doing all these courses, and even Nitin, he is putting so much on YouTube, like free information for so many people. Even the layman who doesn't know anything about psychology, they just go to and visit and listens to the things, and I think they just solve their problems on their own. Half the problems will be solved. So it is very nice job what they are doing. As I've seen their website also, they are doing very like volunteer work also. So it's very nice thing to do. Very less people do these things. Like most people do just carry their finances on, and about money everything is. But these people are doing very nice and human being job. So I'm grateful to Miss Pa, Nitin, and even Divya. She's doing a very great job in explaining and making it very interesting. Like all 4 days, even it is until 6:30, nobody is complaining about the timings also. So yeah. So thank you so much for everything. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Shita.